Bad credit can feel like a nightmare. Even with a fair credit score, lenders can still see you as a risk. However, bad credit is not the end of the world. At Lexington Law, we're here to help you turn the corner and start working to improve and repair credit. Here's how it works. The first step is to check for any unfair or inaccurate negative items that could be hurting your credit. Things like overdue bill payments, bills and collections, charge-offs, maxed out credit cards, foreclosures, identity theft, and more can significantly impact your credit in negative ways. If you haven't dealt with any of these things and are still being negatively impacted by poor credit, it's possible that an error has occurred. Credit reports are made up of information passed from consumer to lender to credit bureau, which means it's easy for errors to occur. In fact, over 25% of credit reports contain at least one inaccurate or unfair negative item. Checking your report regularly can help you stay on top of these inaccurate negative items. Even if there aren't any errors on your credit, don't worry. There are still things you can do to improve your credit over time. Need a loan right away? You can work with a co-signer who will be jointly responsible for the debt. Assuming they have good credit, this can make it easier to get approved. At the same time, you should start working to improve your own credit. Paying down your debt and paying your bills on time should be your top priority. There are also ways to renegotiate a lower total amount if you can make larger payments at a time. Keep unused credit cards open. It may seem counterintuitive, but it can help boost low credit. You can also become an authorized user on someone else's account. But you'll want to ensure, if you do become an authorized user, that the cardholder has upstanding credit, because good or bad, it will reflect on your credit. Bad credit doesn't have to be forever. There are plenty of ways to regain control and set yourself up for future success, and Lexington Law is here to help. Give us a call or click today for more information. Even one negative item can cost you double, even triple-digit decreases to your credit. Learn more about how you can maintain and improve your credit with Lexington Law. Like and subscribe below. You can also visit our website at www.lexingtonlaw.com for more information or a free online credit report consultation.